Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90 all-wheel drive version, and we're going to be replacing the armrest. Going to be easy peasy. I can do it, you can do it too. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. We're going to go ahead and replace this armrest with our brand new quality 1A Auto armrest. Set this aside. Open up our armrest here. Get that down. We have a couple screws. We're going to remove that, and that. To do that, I'm going to use my Torx bit. See what size. T10. Looks like a little star. It's very small. Just going to come up here. You can start with whichever screw you'd like. You do you, boo-boo. That's what our screw looks like. I'm just going to put it right there for now. There we are. See if we can give this a little wiggle, get it to break free. So there we are. Here we are, friends, a quick product comparison for you. Over here we have our armrest out of our 2004 Volvo XC90 all-wheel drive version. And over here we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. As you can tell, they're both the exact same color. I mean, ours doesn't, doesn't look exactly the same as, that one, patina-wise. Anyway, underneath, you've got the exact same mounting holes, 4 of them. There really isn't much to know about this thing. Nice smooth finish, feels great. Can't wait to put my arm on it when it's in the vehicle. With that said, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a quality part to install into the vehicle, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. All right, so you've got this area right here and here. There's a hole there and there. Those are all going to line up with the holes that are in the armrest itself. Okay? So we'll open it up, line everything up, get a nice little squeeze. Should want to sit on there fairly well. Here we are. Took our little screw. It's a small screw, so getting it started with my fingers. Okay, I'm not going to tighten that up yet. I want to do all 4. I'm just going to get all 4 of them started in. Once all 4 are started, that'll be when we go ahead and snug them down, okay? Of course, you can use a ratchet for this or whatever you wanted to use. I prefer one of these little electric drivers. Okay, all 4 of them are started. I'm gonna make sure I have this turned down. I don't want too much power. Okay, that one's bottomed out. I'm only screwing into plastic here, so you don't need to have too much pressure or torque. Last thing we want to do is strip out our new armrest. There we are. Okay, let's give it a try. Feels good. Very nice. This comes down. Down the road we go. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.